Today I am delighted to present to you a comprehensive series of important MCQ from chapter number 1 taken directly from the previous year board paper. These MCQs have been accurately selected to help you score good marks in the subject of computer. I had taken a total of 80 MCQs, ensuring that there is no repetition to optimize your study time. Here, I will not read out the entire question to save your time, but I will provide a summary explanation on that particular topic, so that you can recall it well during exam. Let's begin without any delay. So here first we will see form and its attribute. Here you can see the form property dialog box with form name and two more attribute, action and method. So here is our first question. Dash is a container used to collect different kind of input from the user. So form is a container. It is used to collect input element, selection list, text area. So correct answer is form. And here we will proceed to next question. Yes. To get the input from the visitor or to add more interactivity or control in data entry. So again our answer is HTML form. And here is our third question. Which tag is used to implement form element? Here you have to open it and then you have to close it. So correct answer is option A. Now, which of the following element is not used to create a form? In first question I told you, form itself is used, then text area is there, input element is there, selection list is there, but image is not there. Which of the following color outline is visible when you define a form? So it is light blue. I told you there are two attributes of form. Yes, I told you earlier, action and method. So option B. Yes, important. This is attribute only, but it specifies where to send the form data. So correct answer is action. Here, same question, but it is asking with value. So correct answer is action and file name. Here in question itself you can get the answer. Attribute of form specify the HTTP method to be used when sending the data. So correct answer is method. And further we are going to see two values of method, that is get and post. Which of the following is an attribute? So here method is there, action is not given, so correct answer is method only. Values with method attribute. So I told you get and post. Yes, again important question. Default value of method attribute, or it allow you limited amount of information, or it will attach the data at the end of the URL. So in question can be any of this, but the correct answer is get. Yes, this is also a very good one. Again, value of the method, but it does not have any restriction, or it will send the data as a block. So correct answer is post. Now we have seen form property, that is form name, action URL and method, but question can be like this. So in form property dialog box, what can you see? So correct answer is option A. What you can't see or it is not available, that is field value. First, read the question properly. It is form property or form field property. Form property is for form and form field property is for input tag. Now, I was talking about input tag. So here we have text, password, radio button, checkbox, submit button. All such thing is covered in input tag. And here we will see three attributes: type, name and value. So here you can see field type, field name and initial value for text field. Yes, when you want to insert various elements like radio button, text box or checkbox, or that tag is used to implement input elements. So correct option is option B. Three attributes. All of this. Again, important question. Which attribute of input element specify the field that is to be created? So correct answer is type. Here many should confuse. They are talking about default value of the text field, and here value is also given, initial value is given. But here we have seen one image that is showing initial value. So correct answer for text field is initial value. Now, few questions related to form field properties. Which of the following is not a section of form field property? So form name can't be. Other thing can be. So correct answer is form name. To insert text field, we have to select which type menu. So here you have to select text as a type. To the input that convert text or character into unreadable format, that is password. Now here we will move to our next topic, that is text area, and its two attributes, rows and column. Here you can see which element allow multi-line text input. Text allow only single line, but text area allow multi-line text input. So correct answer text area. Or question will be like this: that allow unlimited number of character, or it is used for comment, report or long description. So this we will use option B. Yes, when you will click form menu and then text area, which dialog box you will get? Then you will get text area property. And if you are selecting form menu and selection list, you will get selection list properties. So accordingly you will get that particular dialog box. So correct answer is here text area property. Yes, two attribute of text area, rows and calls. So option C. Here two attributes are there, and here we have to search out. Option D is the correct. Rows is not given but calls given. Now we will see about selection list. First we have to create a drop down list or menu. After that we can add element or option in it. So here we will see the question. Which element is used to create a drop down list or menu? As I told you earlier, select is used to create a drop down menu or list. Option A. Which element used to specify the value within the menu? So correct answer is option. Don't go with select. Here we are not creating drop down menu already created. We are adding the values within the menu. Option Now we will move to next topic, that is checkbox. Here, when we want to select multiple items, then we have to go with checkbox. Like my hobby, I am good in dancing, singing, teaching, so I will go with checkbox. Which element is used to select multiple elements from a group of items? So checkbox. Which option is used when the form is loaded? Then initially checked should be there, but it is not given, then we will go with initially selected in case of checkbox. So option A. Now radio button. When I want to select single item from a group of item like gender, in this case I will go with radio button. Here group name must be same. As I told you earlier, select a single item from a group of items. Radio. What must be same in case of radio button? Name. Yes, if you want that, it should be selected when loading the form. Initially selected. In checkbox, initially checked. If it is not given, then selected. But in case of radio button, always initially selected. Reset button, only one question is there. To clear the value of data enter and set back to default value. So correct answer is option C. Now all the important URL we will see one by one. To view different toolbar or status bar, we have three toolbar: composition toolbar, formatting toolbar 1 and formatting toolbar 2. We have status bar, menu bar. Have to view or hide, then we have to go in view menu, show or hide. From this menu we can show or we can hide also. It is like Google. Which menu option used to give background color in the form? Remember, format menu, page color and background. To open a file had been recently created or open, so that is file recent pages. Option E. To create a form, now form menu and define form, or we can get it from insert menu. So option B. We have to define a form, then only we can add further element. To insert a label, again insert menu, form, define label. To insert and input text field, I told you, you can add text, radio button, submit button, checkbox, text, password, all such things. But you have to go to insert menu, form field. So correct answer is option C. Is used to insert multi-line text, that is text area. So you have to go to form menu and text area. See. A selection list. Again form menu, selection list. This text area and selection list are not included in input element. They are different from input element. Now we will see few more questions in edit mode toolbar. Which of the following toolbar is available at the bottom right side of the window? Edit mode toolbar. How many more are there? So total we have 3 more. Further we are going to see which are there. Yes. So here it is normal, HTML tag and preview. So further we are going to see more questions regarding it. Which of the following mode is not available? So that is web page. Remaining 3 is available. On left side of the page pan. So correct answer is design split source, option B. This mode offers the page view as seen in the browser. Before rendering it to browser, how it looks. So correct answer is here script do not run, link do not operate. So here it is preview. In question itself you will get the answer. This option is used to design the web page. Sometimes it may be design or format. Correct answer is design. This important question. This show all the detail of HTML code and it will help you to edit the code also. So correct answer is option C. And if you will solve the board question, you will come across this question. Display the HTML source of the current element. Read the question properly. All the source code, then source, current element display. Only particular element I want to see. Suppose text area or selection list or text box, something like that. It shows the yellow marker indicates start tag of the element, that is HTML tag. Or question can be like this. Which color is used to indicate the start tag? Just now we have gone through it. Yellow. Now we will see few questions related to IDE. Which of the following is the software application that provide complete facility to programmer to develop software, integrated development environment? Or question can be like this. Software application provide complete facility to develop software, but full form is not given. Correct answer is IDE only. Example of open source IDE. Composer, Eclipse, JBuilder, NetBeans, all four are there. So all of this. Not an example of open source IDE. I told you Composer, Eclipse, JBuilder, NetBeans is there. NetCell or NetChain, such thing is not there. So this question they may ask, which of the following is not example? They may write Java, so gedit or something like that. You just remember four names: Composer, Eclipse, JBuilder and NetBeans. Remaining all other options are wrong only. Or question can be like this, and it provides facility to integrate web page development and web file management. Correct answer is Composer. Editor, based on simple graphical interface, what you see is what you get. In Composer, it can be downloaded from composer.net. Toolbar not available. Composition is there, formatting toolbar 1 is there, formatting toolbar 2 is there. So preview is not there. Which toolbar is to create a new file, open a file, save a file, publish a file? That is composition toolbar. Option A. Following icon is shown on composite toolbar. So here we can see open or save. So correct answer is B. Sometimes question may be saved, so that is also correct. To format text, add bullet, numbering and similar formatting operation, that is both A and B. To give heading 1, then we have to go with formatting toolbar 1. Here we have to change the heading, so we have to go with formatting toolbar 1. Yes, again important question. When user click on save button, first time when you are saving it, you will not get save page as. First time you will get page title. You have to give title to the page, then only you can save the page. And where does it display? On the title bar. Yes. When we click on any item, where does it appear? So we can see like body, input or whatever we are selecting, whole path we can see on the status bar. So correct option is D. Which option is used to give background color? We have seen format, menu, page color and background. But here we have to select use custom. Generally, file is saved with what extension? .html as well as .htm. So both A and B are correct. How many pan you will see in the center of the window? 2 pan are there, page pan and site manager. Which of the following show a blank untitled web page, that is page pan? What is the default name of web page when you are not saving it? That is untitled one. So when you click on file new and you get one dialog box, create a new document or template, which option you will select? So here you will select a blank menu. Again important question. Which of the following give rapid access to the file on both local machine and remote server? Site manager. When you want to navigate between site, then also you have to go with site manager. What is the shortcut key to open or close site manager? F9. And here I end my lecture. All the best, prepare well and feel free to ask any query or doubt you have. That is all for the day. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned in for the next video.